Hello, Super Tech Buzz. We've got the new creative Sound Blaster Katana SE in, bi-amplified multi-channel gaming soundbar. Now, it's not just for gaming. This has got ports galore, which means you can use it for your home, TV, speakers, stereo, computer. Whatever the case is you want to set it up to, you can basically set it up with. So you've got 5.1 surround sound, HDMI ARC, USB audio USB, 16.8 million RGB colours, 180 watt peak, and you've got power, and you've got the Super XFI headphone holography. If you've not tried this out, it's fantastic. You've got an acoustic engine as well and Dolby audio. So it is a long package, as you can see there, what you would expect from a soundbar box. On the back, you've got bi-amplified 4-driver system controlled by award-winning proprietary multi-core DSP controller. So that's pretty good. And that's pretty much it there. So you've got bi-amplified 4-driver system with custom tuned drivers. So a multi-channel in a compact 2.0 configuration, updated dual up-firing mid-bass drivers, 2 front-firing and high excursion fabric dome tweeters, powered by the award-winning proprietary multi-core DSP controller, and it's a certified 5.1 Dolby decoder, audio decoder. So yeah, looks pretty good. So you've got wireless connection, HDMI ARC, optical aux. You've got the whole lot there. So let's get it out so we can get testing, which I'm looking forward to doing. So this is just always the annoying part. So what we'll do is we'll get this one out first, across this one. And that's pretty much it there now. I try not to damage the boxes because I keep them. Rightio. So let's take this stuff out bit by bit and put it on the table. Right, so we'll bring it as we get it out. So first of all, you've got your instruction booklet there, quick start guide. Next up, our power pack. So I'm just going to leave this out because we're going to be plugging it straight in anyway. So that's the power pack there. So you've got an LED light in here, so you plug in the rest. Right, there's a lot of stuff going on in here. Oh. Right, so we've got our remote control, which are kind of familiar with these days. It's the same as before. Here is your USB-C, USB-A, your plug for power. Then you've got different connection types for different regions, so it's good to see we have them all in the box, which is pretty nice. So this one will be going in here, and we may pop the rest away. So we got an optical cable thrown in as well, so that's pretty cool. And in here is some screws, because we get a bracket to put it up on the wall. 2 brackets actually. So I'm liking that straight away, because it's not often you get brackets in the package. So that's pretty good. So we'll just keep all these together. And then that should basically go with the speaker itself. Okay. So there we go. That is it there. And what I might do is, while I have it out like that, we can power it up and see what it looks like. So as mentioned there, you can see you've got the power. So let's first of all have a look at the top of it there. So you've got the noise protector on it there, which we'll remove later. You've got your power button here, minus and plus source mode and SXFI. So you can see these features already. So got rubber footings. Don't forget you have your bracket hanging up. You've got rubber feet here, so that will keep it from moving. On the side, it's just plain on both sides. And onto the back, you can see all your ports there. So you've got your optical aux, USB, SXY out, HDMI out, and your mains, which will pop in. So you can see these guys here, we know what they are. You can see your speaker on top, and on the front, again, you can see what's going to come up there. You've got a headphone jack as well. So yes, very, very functional indeed. So if I put it in, you can see we've got some power. And I'm just going to hit that there, see what comes up in the front. Welcome will pop up on the front. So that's what you've got there. You can also see your mode button. And now we can see the RGB coming up on the bottom, which is pretty cool. So that's a quick first look at unboxing. Next up, we will take it off for a view and check out how it sounds. Of course, how these lighting effects look, which look pretty cool. So I just turn off that light there. I'll just put it down here. Blind, just to give you a quick idea. That's what it's going to look like there before we get started on the full review. So any questions, drop them below and we'll talk to you soon. And thanks for watching.